What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Texas Sauna Channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be installing the red carpet. It finally came in, and here it is. Auto custom carpets. I will leave a link in the description for this exact carpet. I got it off of eBay. I don't remember the exact price. We'll put it on screen right now. But basically just came in this box right here. The shipping was delayed, but that's only because of Christmas and New Year's. Otherwise, it actually got here kind of fast considering all those variables. But I'm going to go ahead and pull the car out. We're going to take the seats out of here, and as you can see, it's just the bare floor. I'm going to clean it up before I put the carpet in. Just make sure it's all clean, there's nothing there. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get this out. I'm going to put the GoPro on the window so you can see the process. And we're going to unbox this thing here in just a minute. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start by removing front seats, the fire extinguisher, and just getting the tools and stuff out of here. So let's get to it. Okay, got the seats out, cleaned it up, looks pretty good. We, in a previous video, if you didn't already know, we went ahead and wire wheeled, got all the sound deadening out, me and my brother did, and basically sealer primed over the bare exposed metal because they were starting to have rust form, but we caught it in time. It was just surface, and then we went over it all with truck bed coating, which is a natural sound deadener as well. But it's ready to have the carpet put in, so we're gonna go unbox the carpet. All right, like I said at the beginning, I'll leave a link in the description for this carpet. They sell it in different colors. I chose flame red, so here we go. Oh yeah, that is super nice. It even has the spot right here all formed already. As you can see, it's a pre-molded carpet pretty much. It has all the humps and everything where it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this out just by doing this, kind of rubbing it all in. Then we'll go put this bad boy in the car. Okay, so I don't know at what point the GoPro died. The battery is real close to dying again, so I'm going to charge it up a little bit, but in the meantime I'm just going to throw the seats in. Basically I had to cut on the carpet and cut out a little bit more around the shifter. It is pre-molded, but it doesn't have the holes when you buy it, so you have to cut all that, and that's the part that was sketching me out. But I just used an X-Acto knife and cut it all out. So I'm going to go ahead and put the seats in and let the GoPro charge back up. right, there it is with the carpet installed. I think it looks great. I love how it looks in here. So I'm probably gonna get some black floor mats that say EF on them to sell them on eBay pretty cheap. I'll put a link in the description for the exact ones I'm about to buy in case anyone was curious. But yeah, definitely looks good. Was a lot harder than I expected it to be just because there was no holes cut. I prefer factory carpet, you just slide it in and go, but it doesn't look bad at all. I really like it. It's better than no carpet, and I guarantee you it sound deadened even more because there was some sound deadening, like, I don't know exactly what it's called, but it absorbs sound on the bottom of it. So it's definitely a pretty good quality of carpet too, really clean. So we'll go ahead and clean up my mess and we'll go over some more. You like that box? Should I just get you boxes for Christmas?
Yeah, but I can't get these staplers out.
Well, just be careful, okay?
I can't get them out.
I'll get them out. All right, everyone. So as you can see, Emma's super happy with the box. I should just get her boxes for Christmas. The interior looks so nice. The red glow is on, so it's really lighting that red carpet up. I freaking love how it looks. Got the green dash lights, the red glow, plus the red carpet. This thing's really making some progress. So I think I'm gonna stick you guys back up on the GoPro. I'm gonna take it for a drive, see if the sound deadened, which I guarantee you it did. Carpet really helps with that. But yeah, I'm gonna stick you guys back up in there. So here we go. Straight pipe. I don't have to yell to talk now. Definitely nice having carpet. I do love that race car vibe with the lack of carpet, and how when there's no carpet it just feels like rough and faster. I don't know. Probably just because it's louder. But this smooth, comfortable ride's what I'm talking about. Maybe it's because I'm 30, I'm getting older, and I like that smooth comfort, but I also like the race car feel. So this is the best of both worlds. I have the turbo noises. I got a good ride, but I can stiffen it up, make it stiff for whatever reason. Maybe I just want to ride stiff and corner a little bit better. So it's definitely nice having the best of both worlds. So I'm not sure how you guys feel about it. I was thinking about doing a drive video where it's just me driving, just going through the gears, hearing turbo noises, nothing special, nothing crazy, nothing, you know, spectacular, just some comfortable, smooth ASMR driving videos with the Turbo Civic. If you guys think that would be something you'd watch or listen to or whatever, definitely let me know, because I'm thinking about doing it. Just because someone mentioned how they'd like to just hear my turbo noises, so then it made me think, what if I just recorded me driving? I wouldn't talk or anything like that. I'd just let you guys hear how the car sounds. So definitely let me know in the comments. And that's how we almost get into a wreck right there. The guy just pulls right out. Hopefully you guys saw that. That's insane. People really need to learn how to drive. Alright, I'm gonna head back to the house. there you have it. Carpet's in, rides good, sounds good, looks good. Super happy with it. So the next video that I'm going to be doing, I'll be putting the 8 psi wastegate spring in and the electronic boost controller. That way we can do boost by gear, and I'll have Michael jump on the tune and he'll go through all the settings and get boost by gear set up. With this transmission, it's not as big of an issue of traction because of how long these gears are. First gear hitting 45-50, second gear hitting 95. Third gear does in fact hit over 125. Here is a little video clip for you guys of that. Now on the last half of that, you could tell that it definitely needs more boost because that gear is so long. I wasn't even able to top third out. I went to 125 and let off. I still had about 1,000 RPM left. So that is absolutely insane. This transmission is definitely a 200 mile per hour transmission. So as soon as I get the 8 psi spring in, I will definitely do another pull. So we can kind of compare it to the 6 psi pool. Now I can't always do 125 mile an hour pulls, but I will do my best to get you guys some pulls on the 8 psi setup. So I'm super happy with how it's turning out. I really appreciate you guys coming by, checking the videos out, hitting the like button, dropping comments, and sharing my videos. It has helped a lot in the channel growth. We're at 13,100 subscribers. That is absolutely crazy, and I am super thankful to have every one of you. Now, there was comments, some pretty nasty comments, and you guys don't get to see these comments because YouTube filters them. So a lot of you guys see the good comments that get filtered through, but you don't see necessarily the bad ones. They get pretty gruesome, and there's some people saying I don't appreciate my subscribers, and that it makes no sense because I go through a lot of work putting effort into these videos. I edit them, I shoot them, I do all of it. So I just don't know where that's coming from, but I do appreciate every one of you, and I'm pretty sure I say it in all my videos. So thank you again for being awesome subscribers. But there'll definitely be more videos coming. Please hit the like button, share the video, drop a comment below, and thank you for watching all the way to the end. There'll definitely be more coming. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.